Hey rock stars, it's Erica O. Young from StyleMeRockstar.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to wear a hoodie. Now this is key if you're anything like me, because the inner tomboy in me has a ton of these hoodies in a bunch of different colors, and to be able to wear them every day, well, that's any tomboy's dream. So what we're going to do here is give it a little bit more of a rock star, grunge, funky type of edge. What I've done is I've gone ahead and paired it with these kind of faded camo pants, and I'm also adding in a studded leather belt with a little bit of texture right here. It really kind of does more with this outfit. All these colors are very muted, faded tones, so you do want accents that go with it to kind of pull it together. If you notice also what we've done here is we've pulled it up, kind of scrunched this up a little bit. You don't have to do that because I know you ladies are a little bit sensitive about this problem area sometimes, but for those of you guys that have those perfect little Britney Spears abs, go ahead and pop a little bit of skin and show your hip bone right there. It's a very hipster, grunge kind of look, and it really does add a little bit more sass to this outfit. If you're feeling extra sassy, one last thing that I love to do, if we have a hoodie, we're going to use it, pull it up, and you can actually rock this outfit with the hoodie on top. Make sure though, if you do that, you pull your hair out here so you don't look like you're bald or hairless. It actually adds a very cool kind of hip hop vibe to it, keeps it very feminine when the hair kind of peeks through. And if you want to add one last little edge to it, you can actually throw on a pair of, in this case, gold hoop earrings, which will really, really just bring out the funkiness of this look. So that is how you wear a hoodie. I'm Erica O. Young from StyleMeRockstar.com. Make sure you tune in again for more style tips.